What's up, guys? My name is Vlad, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about some cool feature inside ChatGPT that can improve your productivity 10, 20, 30, or even 40%. If you are interested, please watch this video till the end. Let's go. This feature is really cool one because it can help you analyze almost anything. You can upload your own data and ask different questions from ChatGPT, and it will give you the answer. Give you the answer based on your data. It could be your business data, it could be your resume, or whatever you wish. In today's video, I'm gonna take you step by step. I will show you example how I can analyze random data set and extract some valuable insight. I'm certified data analyst, and I know how long does it take sometimes to analyze the data. And with these tools, we can do it within 15 minutes, or maybe even faster, depend on you. To start the process, open chat.openai.com and then select ChatGPT 4. At the left side, select Explore GPTs, and then at the right side, press button Create. In the new window, we will be able to create our own GPTs to analyze our personal data. Don't worry, we will make it private, so nobody will see your data. Okay, let me download free dataset. I'm using Kaggle, and I will download European sales records. This data we will try to analyze. So we will click download button here and download this dataset to our computer. You can follow me or you can upload your personal data. Just keep in mind you need to use a CSV file for now because this format I'm using. So the next step, give our GPT's name. I will call it European sales record analysis. Let's add some instruction. Let's write for GPT, you are professional data analyst. Then scroll down and select code interpreter because it can help GPT run the code and analyze our uploaded dataset. Next, we will try to upload our dataset inside ChatGPT. At the left-hand side, select Upload Files, and then select your file. It could be a CV or PDF file. I'm choosing a CV for now. Then click Open. After a few seconds, or depend on size of your file, it will be uploaded. Then we should save our GPTs. Let's save it and select Visible for only us. So I select only me. And right now, it's ready for answer on our questions. To analyze the data, you need to ask right questions. And good prompts can help you with that. Before we start ask different questions, let's make sure that ChatGPT understand our data correctly. So let's write, make sure you understand the data in the CSV file. As you can see, ChatGPT start analyzing our file. It could take up to 1 minute, depend on your file size. Let me speed up this process a bit. Okay, seems ChatGPT understood our dataset correctly. Yes, we have 1,330 rows. This is all our columns, and seems everything is correct. ChatGPT not only can create for you visualization in different tables, but also provide for you Python code that you can extract and put inside your application or your script to analyze your personal information or data. If you click at this icon at the end of the answer, you will be able to see the Python code that ChatGPT used to extract this information for us. Before we go to actual analysis, we have to make sure that our data is clean. So I'm asking ChatGPT to make sure that data in a CSV file is clean and doesn't contain duplicates. Okay, seems our data is clean, and doesn't contain duplicated missing values, so we can also copy the Python code and paste it into our script or our application. It's quite useful because we can see based on what information ChatGPT made its conclusion. Since our data is clean now, I asked ChatGPT, based on this data, what analysis we can perform. And ChatGPT right now tried to highlight different version of analysis that we can conduct with our data. Let's try to do sales performance analysis. ChatGPT start analyzing the data set again. And this is our result. It shows for us top 5 countries for total revenue. It shows for us best item, best sales channel, and other useful information. These tools not only give you written answer, but also can help you create visualization. Take a look at this. Let's see what kind of visualization we can get from ChatGPT for this analysis. ChatGPT start analyzing the data, and let's look what we will get. This is really impressive. There's a different charts, as you can see, different colors, quite easy to understand. Of channels, performance, top 10 countries, sales performance per item, and so on. After we finish up with our visualizations, we can ask ChatGPT extract valuable insights from this data. Okay, let's ask what insights can be drawn from these visualizations. And here we go. It's quite impressive because ChatGPT well analyzed the data, created visualization, and draw insights for us. So cool, so fast. Of course, we should double check everything, but from first glances, look perfect. We also can ask ChatGPT to summarize all key findings and also provide for us suggestions for future actions. Then we can share this information with stakeholders, and basically our analysis is done. Perfect. I know that sometimes you don't want to share your personal data with ChatGPT, and it's okay, because we can turn off this functionality and ChatGPT will don't use your data for training or any other things. And if you want to know how, look at this. At the left sidebar, click at your profile name, then select Settings. After that, open Data Control and click Chat History and Training. Switch off this toggle. That's it. My personal tips for you, please use latest model because latest model has up-to-date information. Another important tip, you have to split your prompt. Don't try to ask chat everything at once. Try to split it between different steps. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it useful and informative because I really try to do my best for you to get really insightful and helpful information that can improve your productivity. If you like it, please click like. If you don't like it, please click like, but don't forget to share your feedback and comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. If you didn't subscribe on my channel yet, please subscribe here. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.